Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint Review. Is it worth buying? Looking for a spray paint that delivers excellent coverage, a smooth finish, and long-lasting durability? Today we're reviewing the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Ultra Matte Black to see whether it lives up to the hype. If you'd like to check the latest price or learn more about this product, be sure to check the link in the description and the pinned comment below. One of the biggest advantages of this spray paint is its versatility. It's designed for use on a wide variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, masonry, plaster, and even unglazed ceramic. Whether you're refreshing furniture, customizing decor, or tackling a DIY project, this paint offers broad compatibility. The ultra matte black finish is what really stands out. Unlike traditional spray paints that can leave a glossy or semi-gloss appearance, this formula creates a rich, no-shine finish that gives projects a modern, vintage-inspired look. It's ideal for anyone who prefers a clean, understated aesthetic. Performance-wise, Rust-Oleum uses an oil-based formula that helps resist chipping while providing long-lasting protection. The paint goes on smoothly and offers excellent hiding power, helping reduce the number of coats needed for many projects. Another major benefit is the drying time. This spray paint dries to the touch in about 20 minutes, allowing you to move through projects more efficiently. Each can covers up to 12 square feet, making it a practical option for small to medium-sized jobs. Comfort is another area where this product performs well. The can features a comfort spray tip with a wider finger pad designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. It also supports any angle spraying, making it easier to reach difficult spots and achieve consistent coverage. Pros: excellent coverage and hiding power, beautiful ultra matte finish, fast drying in approximately 20 minutes, works on multiple surfaces, chip-resistant and durable coating, comfortable spray tip and any angle application. Cons: as an oil-based paint, proper ventilation is recommended during use. Larger projects may require multiple cans depending on surface size. Conclusion: overall, the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Ultra Matte Black is a strong choice for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, furniture upcyclers, and homeowners looking for a durable, professional-looking finish.